Stop it. This looks like we're holding hands. Hi.
It's your boy. Oh, yeah.
No. Okay, we're just gonna do this. We're doing the handcuff challenge. Okay. Right now it is currently 9:01. I have my right hand cuffed.
Wait.
And the challenge starts
now. It's not right.
So what should we do first? Get up.
Ow. Stop it.
This looks like we're holding hands. Okay, so there's a twist to this challenge. I'm not going to the bathroom in the same room as her.
What if I said go to the bathroom?
Then you take your cuff off and I cuff myself to a door.
Can't take it off because then it's like I didn't do the challenge.
Yeah, I'll take mine off if I have to go to the bathroom. That's just a twist on this, because I'm not doing that.
Pussy.
Ah! We're 2 minutes into this and I'm already in pain.
Same. I want my phone.
Okay. It's 9:50. We're watching Shane. She wants to give up already. She already cut me with it. I have a, yep, right there. I have a cut from the handcuffs. Okay. Why are we going to sleep?
I don't know.
I go to sleep at 3 in the morning.
I don't know. I'm still on school time because, you know, I go to school, you know.
I don't.
Yeah. My hair reflecting on your face. Damn, Jeffrey.
I know. Are you gonna watch this with me now? I've been watching this for a half an hour by myself.
I've been watching it here and there.
You've been talking to people on Omegle while I say yip yip, yip 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 yip.
Yeah.
And they're like, he's gay. Oh my god. It's 11:52. We were just on Omegle for like 20 minutes. Or 30. I don't know.
Smells like pigs in a blanket.
Okay. I got Bailey. So I had to cheat and change my clothes. Because I'm a furry, I guess.
What?
I'm going to sleep.
I don't want to do this.
Hi. We woke up like an hour ago. It's 1 o'clock. I started doing her makeup. And I did mine too, so we're gonna go to the park and be in public like this. So okay, we're walking to the park.
And we fell, so you know about that.
Okay, so there's people now, and I'm filming myself, and we're in handcuffs. So it's the next day. I didn't really film any more of that video for some reason. Me and Bailey went to get my friend Alex while we were at the park. So we were hanging out with him and he was like questioning us about our handcuffs. I don't know why I didn't film that. Me and Bailey ended up taking them off at about 3 p.m. So handcuffed for 19 hours, which is pretty close to 24. I mean, yeah, pretty close. So, yeah. 2 in the afternoon right now. I just finished up my schoolwork. Mondays are the worst. Oh, and also we did a photo shoot, so I'll put those pictures in here as well. So, yeah. See ya. Yeet.